Good morning. Today's topic is green leafy vegetables. Previously, I planted in plastic tubs by seeing the videos in YouTube's, but nowadays I come to know that the plastic tubs release when they get heated in sunlight, they release carcinogenic chemicals which causes cancer. So we must not plant edibles in these plastic pots or plastic bags like that. And the Purnima from Delhi and NCR, she told me that personally also, she, in her videos also I come to know, personally also she told me that we must spread a thick blanket which acts as a barrier between the mud, soil and then potting soil and this plastic tub. I put double thick blanket and potted, and this is podina. I planted this when we get podina from market for cooking. The thick ones I planted and it grown. Some will not survive like this, but don't worry. If one or two survive, they all spread all over the pot. This is one tub, and this is second tub of pudina, and this is third tub of pudina, and this is kasuri methi, where I got from vegetable combo. We will get also in the combo kasturi methi. Combo. This is all grown all over. Will get. It is very useful when we put fresh. It is very can make delicious curries. And this is methi, normal methi. And these parts, this is HDP grow pots I got from online. I put a link in the description box. Methi. And this see, yesterday all around this is amaranthus, green amaranthus, but some birds have eaten up all this. Never mind, I got more seeds I can plant. And this is baby spinach which I got from online. First time I planted this baby spinach. We can cut and put in the salads like that. And this is green coriander. Green coriander always comes late. 1 or 2 is coming. And this is normal palak, spinach. And this is red amaranthus. Again in this bag. I got 5 bags. Red amaranthus. And this is spring onions. We brought spring onions. I cut here and used in the curries, and the bulb which is onion, like this bulb, I put it in the soil. They all come up. Again we will cut this green ones and put it in salads, potato curries, and chow mein and all the dishes. Again it will grow and come. And this is some other type of green leafy vegetables. This is It is grown by itself only. See all the row. That is the sun. This I drink methi water. 2 spoons of methi seeds soaked. We must soak in the night, and in the morning we must put it in. We must drink by straining the water. And also, in videos they tell that we must also eat methi, and after that we must drink that water. But I can't do it. So I put the methi seeds in this tab. They got very well. Already soaked methi seeds, they have got very well. But for experiment, I put it in the plastic tub without blanket. So I cut this tomorrow and use as microgreens. And also on microgreens I will put a video also. So thank you very much. Namah Shivaya.